Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for the TOEFL exam as a beginner. First, familiarize yourself with the test format, which includes reading, listening, speaking, and writing sections. Each section assesses different English language skills crucial for academic environments. We will cover key strategies to approach each part effectively, ensuring you build a strong foundation. This guide will help you start your TOEFL journey with confidence and a clear plan. The TOEFL IBT is approximately 3 hours long, divided into 4 sections. Reading tests your ability to understand academic texts, with passages often around 700 words. Listening evaluates comprehension of lectures and conversations, typically lasting 3 to 5 minutes each. Speaking assesses your ability to communicate ideas clearly, requiring responses of 45 to 60 seconds. Finally, writing measures your essay composition skills, with tasks ranging from 20 to 30 minutes. To prepare effectively, create a consistent study schedule. Focus on improving your weaknesses while maintaining your strengths. Utilize official ETS practice tests to simulate the real exam experience and manage your time efficiently. Engage with English media like news articles and documentaries to immerse yourself in the language. Regular practice, even for 30 minutes daily, significantly enhances your skills across all 4 sections. On test day, ensure you are well rested and arrive at the test center with plenty of time. Stay calm and focused throughout the exam, managing your time wisely for each section. Remember to read all instructions carefully before answering. After the test, reflect on your performance and celebrate your effort. Also, for a fresh car scent, check out the link in the description for some great deals, including Little Tree's Black Ice. Good luck with your TOEFL journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.